Hello, people of YouTube. This is WowPiley09/WowProx09. Here we have a fruit cup.
Gabby, this is so sad.
What? And Shadow.
And look how slow he's
Oh my gosh, go faster! Vampy. This is a fail. And of course, me, Cocoa-Cupcake.
Look at the Corvette that's going like 20 miles per hour.
That's a Corvette. If you've watched our first vlog, you'll know that Shadow mentioned a girl named Kitty. We are meeting her today at the airport. We are very excited, and so is Fruit Cup right over there. What is that? Is Fruit Cup with her spiffy hat. Yes.
What is that?
A hat.
Is that a cat?
Hello. Just kidding. This is Vampy. That's an interesting face.
I know.
Interesting face contest.
I'll be right.
You look like a cheetah girl.
Interesting face.
Are you ready?
Do an interesting face.
Cheetah.
Going.
The lighting's still perfect. I have to put that picture on Facebook. We're singing the singing our song all day long at home.
You're ruining it.
Get loud.
Fly like a G6, like a G6, like a G6.
Rachel, my mom misses you. Does she miss me?
Really?
Like, no.
She misses me?
Weekend countdown.
Why?
She hasn't seen you for a long time because you were always sick over the summer.
Counting down to 45.
Because you're always sick during the summer.
Yeah, because mostly there's sun and there's no school and I'm like bored and
Yeah, and she misses you.
when she'd say that this morning, I miss Rachel.
On the way to the dance.
She was what she
You
said.
might get Kitty to the dance?
No.
Oh.
Your mom
She
was
should go
driving
to
in
the
car.
dance. You can't.
Wait, your mom was driving in the car when she said, I miss Rachel.
She was like, I love Josh, I love Matt. And I was like, what about Rachel? She's like, I love Rachel, but I miss her. I haven't seen her for a long time. Ask Kiana, she was there. Ask Kiana, she was there. Melt into the shadows.
Oh my. Yes, I think, can I leave my purse in the car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. You're weird.
It's so weird. We're a bunch of friends going to see a girl at an airport.
What should
about that?
What if she was a holographic figure? That'd be really weird. It's like she shows up like, hi guys.
We tried to hug her, but she's a hologram. I've never been here without like tons of suitcases and laptops.
Terminal A. Guys, it's like all of a sudden you guys are way back and back of me, and it's like all of a sudden you hear me scream.
Well, you guys just me.
No, we can't settle down. I'm sorry about me. We are far too excited. We're just like, I love you, but we're not like walking. Guys, it's like we see Kitty all the way from there. It's like we start running down the escalator. Guys, what if I missed Kitty? I would be upset.
I'm pretty sure that means it's in her flight's baggage. Excuse me.
Okay. Cuford. Where's Kitty?
Okay, look for car on page. Atlanta, Georgia.
It lands in Georgia.
Two.
What flight number is it?
Matt, you know the flight number.